have a lot of people close to me that have suffered from cancer. I've been carers of people that have cancer, and I can see how it's a disease that affects a lot of people. 1 in 2 people are expected to have cancer, and I think being able to do some research to really make it better for these people is something that I would like to do. I work on immunotherapy. It's where the immune system in our body hunts and destroys cancer cells. Now, this treatment has been a game changer in cancer therapy, but only 40% of patients respond to it. And one of the roadblocks is a particular cell type called the regulatory T cells. They block immune cells from killing the cancer cells. And I try to figure out how I can remove Tregs so that immune cells can attack the cancer cells, sort of supercharging immunotherapy. I found 2 sort of killer genes that we can target in the Treg cells. I'm looking at using patient samples and trying to manipulate those killer genes so we can remove Tregs and produce better immune responses against cancer. I'm using 2 drugs that are used for non-cancer related disease that have been FDA approved and trying to use that to target Treg cells. And if it works, we can then translate that into a clinical trial. The long-term outcome, I hope, would be to make immunotherapy better for cancer patients. I think to have a cancer-free future, it involves finding innovative and creative ways to target cancer. And as we chip away and look for ways that people have not looked at before, like targeting Tregs that have not been successful in the clinic, we're closer to the goal of having a cancer-free future. I want to say a heartfelt thank you to our supporters for supporting this research. As researchers, it can feel quite lonely sometimes chipping away in the lab and trying to work out how to target cancer cells, but it's nice to know that there are other people around that really support this cause, and the money that you've raised and the money that you've supported with allows us to develop our ideas towards producing novel, creative and innovative therapies to combat cancer.